Hello viewers, this is your ideal teacher, and today we are going to learn how to add numbers in standard form, okay? And I'm going to give you one example for this. Now, let's say we have this here, 3 times 10 to the power 4 parenthesis plus 5 times 10 to the power 6, okay? Now, what do we do here? We have to apply the rule of factorization, okay? We have to factorize and we have to manipulate the numbers, okay, so that we'll get what we want. How do we do that? First, we have to make sure the powers of 10 be the same before ever we can factorize, okay? How to make the powers of 10 be the same? You see, we have this 10 to the power 4 here and 10 to the power 6. We can either reduce this power here to 4 so that they will be in the same power, or we increase this 4 to 6. Do you get it? Now, so how do we do that? It's very simple. Now, I want you to understand this concept. The number 4 alone, I can write 4 as 0.4 times 10. Okay? 0.4 times 10 is the same as 4. I have not changed this number. This number is the same. 0.4 times 10 is the same as 4. Now I can also write the number 4 as 0.04. Remember, here now I've using 2 decimal places. Therefore, I have to multiply by 100. Okay? Now this is the concept we are going to apply here. So, and now remember also 0.4 times 10. This 10 has a power 1. Okay? Now this is 0.04 times 100. This 100, I can write it as 10 to the power 2, okay? Now, because here is standard form, we have to express the powers of 10 in that form, all right? Now, let's solve this one. Let's solve this one, okay? So, we have 3. So, let's increase the power of 10 here to 4. So, how do we do that? Remember, 10 to the power 4 is multiplying by 3. So we are going to manipulate 3, okay? So we know that 0.03 times 100 is the same as 3, okay? We have not changed it. We just manipulate it so that we can have what we want, okay? All this multiplies by 10 to the power 4, okay? In parentheses, plus 5 times 10 to the power 6. Okay? Now remember, this 100, I can write it as 10 to the power 2. Good. So this is 0.03 times 10 to the power 2 multiplies by 10 to the power 4. Okay? Good. Now we have this. So 5 times 10 to the power 6. Okay? Now, here we have 10 to the power 2 and 10 to the power 4, and they are multiplying. So we apply the law of indices, which says when we are multiplying the same basis, we add the powers. Okay, we have 10, 10. So we just add the powers, which is 2 plus 4. That gives us 6. So we have 0.03 times 10 to the power 6 now from this one. Okay, all in bracket, plus 5 times 10 to the 6, okay? Now, what do we do now? We have gotten 10 to the power 6 and 10 to the power 6. Then we can factorize the 10 out, okay? Now, we will do this one. We'll do this one. So, we have 0.03 now plus 5, all in bracket or parenthesis, times, we are going to factorize 10 to the power 6, okay? Now we are going to add this, okay? Now, if we add this one, this is 0.303 plus 5. This gives us 5.03 times 6, 10 to the power 6, okay? Now, this is how to do it. So to review this, so this is actually our answer, okay? Now, to review, so whenever you are given a standard form to add, that is the same rule for addition, for subtraction. Okay, so whenever you are given, if this was subtraction, we'll do the same thing. Okay, make sure the powers of 10 are the same, then you can factorize the 10, then whatever that remains in the bracket, you can just add them. Okay, so, or subtract them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my videos for more content from Ideal Teacher. Thank you.